In this video, I am taking a system of linear inequalities in which there are more than two inequalities are given. In this, we are having these inequality x plus y greater than equal to 8, x plus 2y greater than 10, x positive and y positive. And in this also we have four inequalities. Now, to solve this system of linear inequalities, we will proceed as we have done earlier. We will consider the corresponding equations that are 2x plus y equal to 8 and x plus 2y equal to 10. This is yours. Taking 2 points as usual, when x is 0, y will be 8, when y is 0, x will be 4, and this side 10, 0 and 0, 5. Now, I will plot these two lines first of all by taking a suitable scale and coordinate axis. We have seen here it is passing through 0, 8. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10 also 10, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Now this line, first one is passing through 0, 8. This point is 0, 8 and this is your 4, 0. This is 4, 0. So line we draw, because it is slab inequality, we will draw a dark line there like this and write on the side as this equation which is representing this line. Now x plus 2y, we have taken 2 points 10, 0 here and 0, 5 and 0, 5 is this point. We can see that this line is passing through these two points and written the equation like this. Now you can see that if I substitute in this first and second, 2 into 0 plus 0 greater than 8, that means 0 greater than 8, this is not satisfied. If it is not satisfied, again the inequality, again the half plane which is not having origin as a required part. So this line, first one, and opposite to origin will have this arrows. We can take the arrows, 1 or 2 arrows or whatever. After that, the second inequality will have again 0 plus 2 into 0 greater than 10. Implies that 0 greater than 10, again it is not true. So what we have, again this line away from origin, that half plane will be your required one. So the common you can see as we have done in the last questions, that this part. Now x positive and y positive, we don't need to take tables for this. X positive means that part on which x-axis is the positive part, this side. This is your equation for x equals 0. Y-axis is actually where x is 0. And y greater than 0 means this part, upper part of this arrow I am putting for this, and this equation is y equal to 0. This is x-axis and x-axis is actually y is 0. So we have seen all the four inequalities with four arrows like this, one this side, one this side and one this side of this line and one this side. So what can you see over here? The shaded part common is this, not a little bit of this soul on this side, because x positive and y positive also given. So what we will do, we will shade like this, not here also or not here also or any other part. So the common shaded region as are shown in the graph is our required solution. So moving on to the next question we have here. Again consider the corresponding equation. X minus 2y is 3. So we will take again the 2 points x and y. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 0, y is minus 3 by 2. When y is 0, x is 3. At the next equation, 3x plus 4y is 12. And so when we have x and y, x 0, y 0. When x is 0, y will be yours 3 and this is 4, 0. So other two lines are x equal 0 and y equal 2. We'll plot these four lines on the axis first of all, coordinate plane. I'll draw, this is x, this is y axis, this is origin. Now this whole part you can see that is x positive and y also positive, in fact greater than 1. So I have taken the first quadrant as the major part. Here also I have taken first because x positive and y positive. So in required solution will be in first quadrant. Now what will we do? We will take again the suitable scale and plot the points 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And the other one is minus 3 by 2, 0. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So we have, you can take any other point if you want, 0, minus 3 by 2. This is minus 3 by 2 is minus 1.5. So 0 minus 3 by 2 is here for first line and 3, 0 is the point for first line. So I draw this. This is your slack inequality, a dark line there, like this. You can see this is your x minus 2 y equal 3, this line, and the next line is 0, 3 passing through 0, 3, and this is 4, 0. This is 4, 0. So what we'll do, we'll join these 2 points. This is almost here, and this line, this is your 3x plus 4y equal to 12. When x is 0, so on y-axis x equals 0, this is the line whose equation is x equals 0, and y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 is a line, horizontal line parallel to x-axis. This line y equal to 1. We have drawn all the lines, 4 lines first of all. After that, you have to check which half planes are required part. So first of all, I will check the first, then second, third and fourth. So for first, I will consider 0 minus 2 into 0 less than 3 in 1. If I substitute 0 less than 3, which is true. Which is true means this line x minus 2y equal to 3, this line on towards the origin will have this part, this side, upper, like this. After that, next 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 greater than 12. So 0 greater than 12, this is not true. This is not true. So the part which is above the origin, it is not containing the origin above. So this part will be your required one. I have put the arrows on this side as well now. And x positive means this side will be having. And y greater than 1, 0 is not satisfying, not the origin side, this is upper part like this. So I have put all 4 sides arrows, and the common part you can see will be having this, which is bounded by this line, not this part. Now please see, take care. We are not to go on this side x equals 0. We are not to go below the line y equals 1. We are to move above this and this. So this unbounded part, as shown in our solution, is our required solution. Thank you.